Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, I'm going to be reviewing the um, Polaroid IE29, and I'm just going to be doing some tests and looking at the image quality, photographs and stuff, and comparing the prices, because, okay, here it is. Okay, the little thing right there is broken off. It looks a lot better when it's on there, because I was a little rough with it and I dropped it, so yeah. But I mean, it still works perfectly fine. So, and yeah, so it's $60 without being on sale. I got this thing for $15, so I'm not very disappointed for it being $15. And the image quality is not that great because it has a very small lens, so you can't, like, it doesn't have very good aperture, and so it doesn't let in very much light. And I'm shooting on a phone, so I can't really show you the tests of it, but I can just show you the screen like this. So here's me right here, just looking straight at the lens, and the quality's not that horrible. I mean, with good lighting, it's actually a pretty decent camera. You can use this for vlogging. It does 18 megapixels, but I highly doubt that because, I mean, $60, you're not going to be getting 18 megapixels. I mean, this Canon T3 doesn't even have 18 megapixels. It has 12.2, so. It shoots video in 1080p, which I'm guessing is not real 1080p because I've watched clips on my computer, and it looks like it only does about 480 or 720. But I mean, if you can find this thing on sale for $15, it's not a bad camera at all. I would highly recommend it for anybody who's just starting out making videos and anything like that. But my very first camera that I had was this. Sorry. This, a Jazz HD V140. This thing was pretty bad. It took batteries, which it only lasted about 30 minutes on 3 batteries, AAAs, which are not rechargeable, so you have to go and buy batteries from a store that cost like $3 for 3 of them. So the batteries in here cost $3 for 3 of them if you want to get good alkalines. And this thing doesn't even have a lens. But it's $10 brand new at Walmart. And yeah. And I mean, this doesn't have a flash, and it's really bad at low light because it doesn't even have a lens. That's just the sensor right there. This is mirrorless because, I mean, all cameras are mirrorless. Because, I mean, like, you know, the reason why it's mirrorless is because a DSLR, here, I'll show you. Okay, so a DSLR has this little mirror right there, and that comes up, and it exposes light to the sensor, and then it gives it to you. Okay, I'll show you. Let me just get the battery for it. Okay, so I have battery in it now, and I'll show you. It's pretty cool of how this thing works, actually. I need to film. Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay, so what the heck? I need to put a stupid card in it. Can't even show you guys. But, okay, just so you get the point, this little mirror comes up and touches the top, and then the sensor gets exposed to the light, and it receives the image and into the camera. While a little mirrorless camera like this, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, this might not be a mirrorless camera, it might be. I have no idea. Or actually, I do. I think it's a mirrorless because it doesn't have a mirror in there. Your phone camera is mirrorless, so this should be too because it's really thin doesn't have one of those mirror things, and the sensor is exposed right there in the middle of the lens. It's a really tiny sensor though, like that big of a square, maybe even that big, so it doesn't deliver a very good image quality at all. Since it's like, I mean, this thing's $60 brand new. Okay, so enough of me blabbering my face. I need to show you guys some test images. Okay, so I have it in 8 megapixels right now. Okay, so 8 megapixels. Here is a photograph. Okay, so there's a picture of that little jazz camera. And then here's the video test. Hey, I'm just testing out the video right now. You can't hear me, but you might be able to. I don't know. You're not going to be able to hear me. Okay, so here is the test results. Okay, so here's the video test. Okay. I'm actually pretty surprised with how good this is. This is actually not that bad at all. It's about the equivalent to an iPhone 3G or iPhone 4. So it's not the worst camera in the world for, I don't know, $30 if you get it on eBay, $60 if you buy it brand new. And yeah, it's pretty durable. I dropped it on the concrete. It's got a little battle scar right there. And yeah. So if you're going to be doing any like filmmaking, vlogging or anything, I would highly recommend a DSLR. This is a Canon T3. Don't get the T3 because I'm not trying to be mean to the T3. It's just that it only has 720p video recording. It doesn't have slow motion. The maximum that it can do is 30 FPS. You can't adjust any settings at all except for the exposure. That's literally the only thing. You can shoot in RAW, but it's I don't even know what kind of RAW it is. And just so you know, this is a and the aperture is 3.5 to 5.6, and it has image stabilization. You can see all the way through it. Let's see if I can focus on myself. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of editing in this video that I made because I've spent already like 20 minutes. Oh yeah, and I'd also recommend getting the GH4 if you're not going to be doing low light shooting, because I have a friend, his parents have a successful YouTube channel. I can't tell the name because I don't know if I don't think I should, because that might be bad. I don't know. But they have like 24,000 subscribers, and then their son has a YouTube channel that has almost 5,000. So he's making a pretty good bit of money. And yeah, and they use a Panasonic Lumix GH4 for their videos, and I just use my phone. So yeah. Okay, so I don't know if this answered your question or not, but should you buy a Polaroid IE29? If you're taking pictures, no. If you're taking home videos, yeah, this thing would be perfectly fine. I mean, yeah, you can use it for pictures. They just won't look that great. You can use them for like selfies or whatnot. You can use it for just something that you can strap to your four-wheeler and not care if it falls off or not, because I mean, this thing's durable. I mean, I broke the little battery compartment on it. Right here, see the way that's like twisted up in there? And the battery thing right here is broken. That's only because like I ripped the whole thing off. Okay. Oh, and it also has a flash, and there's a little sensor, a little autofocus sensor or whatever. I have no idea. 10 times optical zoom, and yeah, you can charge it from right there. So yeah, I hope that answered y'all's question. If y'all came to this video to find out if y'all needed to buy this. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to like the video too. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. That wasn't a proper intro. I guess I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, bye. Oh yeah, the reason why is because the editing messed up really bad. I hate when that kind of stuff happens. Alright, bye. See you in the next video.